Hello everyone, you're welcome to V's Delight YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to make popcorn using just your pot. You don't need any machine for this. All you need to do is watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In my pan, I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of butter. I'll let this melt before I proceed to add in the next ingredients. When it's melted, I'll just reduce the heat. Next, I'll go in with half cup of popcorn kernel, and I'll just mix this together a bit. After some minutes, you'll notice your popcorn kernel will start popping. That's where they call the name popcorn. So once you start popping, you just add your sugar as required. I use 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then you mix it. Make sure you close your pot. If not, it will definitely pop out. When it's popping, all you need to do is just shake your pot or shake your pan so it doesn't get burnt. Just look how it's popping. What do you think about this method of making your popcorn? If you have any question, do to leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. And this is how you make your popcorn at home. You can enjoy this with your family, your friends, or even alone while watching a movie. Let me know if you'll be trying this method. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. You can also like, comment, and share this video for others to see. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.